Hi folks and friends on YouTube, thanks for being here. I'm Still Dreaming is my channel, and in this video I'm just sharing how our dog Dice isn't frightened or bothered by the fireworks here in our neighborhood. And it's 4th of July and it's 8:35 right now where we're at. And just so happens that we live in a rural area, and so this is what we have going on every 4th of July every year. So, but Dice, our dog, seems to enjoy it. Doesn't scare him. He doesn't have much of a reaction, actually. He doesn't bark. He just kind of looks around. So I hope everybody had a nice day today, a safe, happy 4th of July celebration with your friends and your family. And here at my house, it was pretty low-key, pretty quiet. I kind of wanted to do this video so people could hear how the fireworks sound right here in my neighborhood where I live. And to show how my dog has, like, literally no reaction. Not very much of a reaction. What's going on, Dice? What's going on, Dice? You're gonna see a car right there in the front there pull out, and that's my daughter, and she's going to work now. She works for Amazon, and she works nights, and she's going to work now. So, well, that's everything. Just wanted to say happy 4th of July to everybody and show you how Dice is with the fireworks. He doesn't get very excited. All right, you guys, be safe out there. Bye.